sugar, not too much, okay? Because otherwise it won't work. Okay, careful, this is very wet, this table. Alright, so just a little bit there.
Oh my gosh. Just a little bit.
Okay.
I need a sugar.
If I wanted to, I could flavor the sugar cinnamon or whatever I want. Okay? Alright, now I'm gonna give a turn. See? So that you can stop. Take more sugar if you want more. That's mine. Okay, so always plenty of sugar in the dough. So the right direction, okay? You can bring a couple more bowls of sugar, please.
Should everyone just get a dough?
Oh yeah,
Or more?
you can.
Some people are already taking dough home or something.
Oh,
Or if you want to take the dough home, then you're gonna have plenty of Palmiers here, okay?
you could take some.
So make sure it's plenty of sugar in there, okay? So this is to be the dough. This is the puff pastry, yes. Is enough sugar in there? Okay, now you go here. There you go. Make sure you get the thumb in the right direction. How come that thing is so wide? Don't make wide, you don't shrink puff pastry.
Is this one ready now?
Yeah. So now I have all the 6 thumbs, right? And now the same thing. I'm gonna depend how big a palmier I want. Is it mini or a large? It's how wide you're gonna make it. Okay. So I'm gonna make it just a little longer, just like that, and after I'm gonna turn it to make it as wide as I can. But depend how big of candy you want, okay? Of cookie you want. I did say to make it wide, okay? Now, when you give a turn, okay, that's plenty wide. And now I'm gonna just shape it. So here I go. Again, plenty of sugar. That's not enough here. There you go. Sugar. Okay, that's enough for the turn. Okay. You give a turn already?
No.
Okay, make it a little wide here. It's not straight. All over, yeah. You want the big ones? The big Palmiers?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes.
So, prepare also some sheet pan with parchment paper.
They're next door.
Okay, that's good.
They're around this corner.
Yeah, they don't use any.
Yeah, you can take as many as you want.
Oh yeah, I have done downstairs too. Okay, now, see that's what I'm looking for here, okay? Now, you go do this here.
Wait, am I doing a double turn or just
No, single. It was at 5,
Okay.
right? So, now, if I did want to make this thing more sweeter, more sugar, then, and I know that I'm going to be done for this thing, right? I would store it at 4 terms, and then I'll give the last 2 terms in sugar, right? All right, so now look here. The 2 shapes, you go 1, 2, then 1. Of course, you have to be the same. Then 2. And then hit. Okay? It's a cake, right? Then you go here. Can you have sheet pans e parchment paper? You're going to need a lot of them.
Do the sheet pans? A whole bunch of sheet parchment
We have
paper.
four.
Okay, then you're going to put that like this here. So you see now? You see what I'm talking about? Alright? Put that like this. And yeah, you can flavor it with pesto. It's good with pesto too.
Is it really?
Oh, it's very good.
Yeah. Where would you put the pesto?
In the, yeah. Yeah.
That's gorgeous.
But you can just take with butter and or oil, just the pure pesto. It's the roll your pastry, puff pastry
Yeah.
for an appetizer, right?
Yep.
With the puff pastry and then spread the pesto on it and roll it. Make mini ones, not those big ones.
Yeah.
Okay? You know.